So most people solve this question like 7 multiply 7 is equal to 49. Divide 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Okay, so the answer is 49 upon 14. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So here is one multiplication, one division and one addition. So first we have to solve multiplication and division, then we have to solve addition. And both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. First we have to solve this multiplication. Is equal to 7 multiply 7 is equal to 49 divided by 7 plus 7. Now first we have to solve division, then we have to solve addition. Okay, so first we have to solve this division. So 49 divided by 7 is equal to 7 plus 7. So now 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. So the correct answer is 14. Okay, thanks for watching this video.